Hello. What's up? Annie, say hi. Where you want to go now? Where you are going? Tell everyone. Where do you want to go? Fufu. Okay, we'll go Fufu. So we are in Goa now, and this is a place called Sunset Cottage, just beside Baga Beach. And now after this we are heading towards Morjim Beach, and after that let's see, we are planning to go to Hilltop or else we're back to hotel. And look at this place, this is like full greenery besides the swimming pool. And before we're going anywhere, we'll go and have breakfast. So, and just follow my channel and you get to know one more video will be coming up, or the video will be released with different plan. So what to do in Goa in a single day. So today I came with my family, my sister, my niece, my brother-in-law, along with my brother. So let's explore this time in a different way. Keep watching till the end.
Looking so good. Say hi.
Say hi.
Camera.
Good hi. Your phone is there.
Ah. What is this? Itu?
I don't know. Rava fish fry.
Rava fish fry. This is
Mussel.
mussels. Oh,
It is pitha nisila.
good. Okay. ये है मेरा बाइक, ये बाबू का बाइक. उल्टा हेलमेट है आज. चलेगा? हेलमेट फिट नहीं हो रहा. Coconut trees. We are in Aswim Beach now, and we are going towards Morjim now. And look at this place. This is the Boomerang. This place is Boomerang, right?
Resort.
Boomerang Resort.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come, come.
This is how the beach looks. More gym. Yeah, dogs barking. I don't know. That's good.